One of the greatest challenges in affordable housing is balancing cost with quality. Conventional bricks are heavy, brittle, and poor insulator, driving up transport, construction, and energy costs. The result: expensive buildings that are uncomfortable and less sustainable. Meanwhile, millions of scrap tires pile up every year. They clog landfills, pollute soil and groundwater, create breeding sites for pests, and when burned, release toxic gases and excessive CO2. Recycling them is a challenge due to their organized structure. But what if waste tires could become part of the solution? TherecoBlock is an innovative, eco-friendly, Lego-like interlocking block designed for affordable green housing. Produced by partially replacing sand with the crumb rubber from waste tires and cement with the fly ash. It is lighter, stronger, and greener than conventional bricks. Lightweight for easy handling and lower transport costs. Better sound and thermal insulation for improved comfort. Tactile and durable, reducing cracks and damage, and cheaper to produce, making it a truly cost-effective alternative. TherecoBlock requires no plant modification. It fits existing brick production lines. With lower material costs, a small and medium enterprise can achieve fast returns on investment in just 3 to 5 years. Plus, eco-friendly branding aligns with sustainability goals, giving producers a clear market edge. TherecoBlock not only reduces construction costs, it transforms waste into value. By addressing Malaysians' waste tire problem and providing high-performance, affordable housing materials, it supports a cleaner environment, healthier communities, and more sustainable future. TherecoBlock is more than just a building block. It's a solution for people, planet, and progress.